Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to clear the app cache on your iPad. Step 1, open settings. Step 2, go to general iPad storage. Step 3, it may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes for the iPad storage page to load, depending on how much you have stored. Once it loads, you should see a breakdown of how your iPad storage is used in the recommendation section. Step 4, select an app from the list. If your goal is to free up space on your iPad, note that the list is ordered by app size. Step 5, on the app page, you have two options for cleaning the app from your storage. Offload app, this removes the app from your iPad but retains the data associated with it. Delete app, this option does what it says it does, it delete the app and all data associated with the app. Step 6, regardless of which option you select, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Tap offload or delete app again to confirm your choice. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.